As everyone singing from the same hymn sheet when it comes to supersizing and growing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and I created my own little hymnal or hymn book. We used to call them hymnals when I was a little girl. I don't know what they call them now. I mostly, when I do attend services, or church or mass, we call it mass, we're Catholics, and we have big, thick books with all the songs and all the hymns and all the singing that we share and do together. So this idiom, of course, has been around and comes from church hymn sheets or hymnal books that we use, that we sing from together in church. Why? Because then we're all singing the same song. We're hopefully all singing it in tune, but not necessarily. Probably not if I'm singing. But it comes from the fact that we're all, I like on the same page as an idiom better, but we're all looking at referencing the same information. We're all singing the same song at the same time. So we're all on the same page. We're all in alignment and in agreement with respect to what we're communicating and what we're doing. So this actually first appeared, and it's from Longman Dictionary of Contemporary English. It's not a very old idiom. I didn't find the exact year that we started using it as an idiom, but it just means we're all on the same page. We're in alignment. We're in agreement. We're understanding one another's expectations and communications. It's very important in negotiations. It's very important when we're supersizing and growing our business that we're all step marching and going in the same direction. Now, I don't know about you, but I've worked in organizations, and I've had organizations where everybody wasn't singing from the same hymn sheet. Everybody wasn't in agreement with the mission, the vision, the goals, the principles, and the purpose of the organization. And those people don't necessarily last very long in certain businesses and in certain organizations. But some, the bigger the organization gets, the more diverse group of people that you have involved in that organization or department. And so you're bound to find some people that are running the whole spectrum of agreement or disagreement, alignment or misalignment with the company's position, etc. So I find that this idea is very important when it comes to implementing changes in our organization, doing things differently, improving things in our business. If we're not aligned and we're not in agreement, we're not all headed in the same direction, we're wasting time and energy and resources butting heads and trying to gain agreement. So I don't want everybody, and we shouldn't want everybody to be yes people in our organization, but we should be headed in the same direction for the things that are really, really important. We should have the same values, core values for sure, not necessarily all the same values, but the same values. It's important, for example, in most of my organizations, that we really focus on the customer and that we ensure that we understand and that they have an excellent experience with our organization, no matter who they communicate with, talk to, or come in contact with in the business. They all should have a good, positive experience with us. And if they don't, that's something that we have to address and fix. And if people don't want to focus on the customers, they don't usually last very long in our organization. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression, singing from the same hymnals, music sheet, hymn book, etc. Like I said, I like on the same page because it means we're in agreement and alignment, and how that's impacted building and growing and supersizing your business. Share in the comments below so we can learn from one another. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have an awesome day.